Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to download Crypto.com application on your iPhone. To download Crypto.com app on your iPhone is super easy. Simply go and tap open your app store and then go to the search box at the top, type in Crypto.com into the search box and perform your search. Once you find this Crypto.com by BTC, ETH and SHIB application right here, tap on the Get button to begin the download process. Once you tap on Get, your download and installation process should begin. And that is how you should be able to download Crypto.com on iPhone. Crypto.com is a platform that allows you to buy, sell, and earn rewards in cryptocurrencies. You can use the application to access various features and services such as Crypto.com Visa Card, Crypto Earn, Crypto Pay, and much more. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.